So this trade, I actually missed a lot because I closed with 150 pips in profit right here, and then it dropped 800 pips right here. You can see this is a screenshot that I took yesterday. So the first trade that I placed was this one right here, which lost this one, the $300, and then I decided to put it. This next trade that you see is this one right here. Right, this was the second trade. You can see this was a winning trade. So you can see here, this was the first trade. Stop loss 30 pips hit. I send another signal right here. The take profit was hit, which was 224 pips. All right, so if you go also to my, so I'm going to explain in full step by step how I take the trades that I send in my Telegram channel. So you can also get the trades or results like this and this and this and this, and the list goes on. Hello traders, this is FX Trend Following Academy. In today's video, I want to show you how to trade like a professional trader for free. I'm also going to teach you a simple and yet proven forex trading strategy that works every time, and I'm going to show you in real time. Watch as I break down each and every trade step by step, every analysis, every chart live. I've recorded some of the trades live and also send every signal I send. It has a timestamp. You can also check it out for transparency. Unlike many viral channels that promote gambling, flipping accounts, forex lifestyle, I'm going to review the honest truth about trading. And trading is not about luck. You need to learn how to trade. So in this video, I'm going to show you real trades on the charts, live Telegram updates, so that you can know exactly what is happening. I also gave ChatGPT some of my trades for the past 30 days to analyze. I just copy all the trades and then I paste it in ChatGPT. So what you are going to see is the analysis from ChatGPT, and you are also going to see the trade journaling from ChatGPT. So yes, I'm also inviting you guys to watch this video to the end so that I can share my complete trading strategy. I'll also invite you guys to join me trade one-on-one for free. If you guys are interested, I've put my links in the description, also my contact email, and or maybe I'll use the Telegram live chat. I'll put it on the screen. So yes, out of every class, some will excel, but those who follow my instructions can achieve amazing results. If I can do it, so can you. Why not? Let's trade smart, build a professional trading mindset together. So I want to show you guys, before I get to the charts, I want to share with you guys some of the most important things that you need to know about trading. Most traders die by one of the two bullets. It's either greediness or maybe it's emotions. I say these two bullets because greediness covers risk management, and the emotions, it covers discipline, patience. All right, so I'm going to explain in full step by step how I take the trades that I send in my Telegram channel. So you can also get the trades or results like this and this and this and this, and the list goes on. So before we can get started, guys, I just want to quickly jump in and show you live on the charts. So before I get anywhere, let's jump in and make some dreams come true. So as you can see on the chart, we have a trade that is currently running, and this is a gold USD. This is the last trade that we signed today. If you go to my Telegram channel, let me just tell the guys to update this one. Maybe they should close it, or maybe they go to break even, so that because I won't be updating this one live because I'll be busy making this video, and at the same time I want to quickly rush and watch the game because there's a game in the next 29 minutes. Man City is playing today. I know that it's not winning, so at least I'm winning my side. All right, so I've updated the guys in the channel. You can see this signal was sent like around almost 20 past 5. All right, you can also see right here. So this was the signal here. You can see, let me just zoom. You can see the entry. This was a buy. This was the stop loss, the TP. You can also see it at the bottom right here. And you can see this trade at some point it was running 92 pips in profit, and our target is around 100 and just around 100 pips. So you can see that I could have easily closed right here, but I was not able to close the trade because I was busy making this screenshot and trying to update the guys, because most of the time I want them to get as much as they can from the trades that I send. So right now I've told them to move this one to break even. I'm moving mine right now. All right, so I know you guys are trying to, or maybe are trying to figure out what kind of strategy am I using. What you see on the chart, this is my trading system right here. All right, so this was the signal that I sent in the group. I'm going to come back and explain. If you check down here, this is actually the signal itself. All right, let me just move it. So this was the signal right here. I entered this signal a little bit too late because I was supposed to enter. I missed almost from here. I missed almost 18 to 20 pips right here. So with that out of the way, let's quickly just keep it running because it's almost hitting the take profit anyway.
A few moments later.
So on our Telegram channel, you can actually see that I updated this trade all the way. This was the last update that I did just now a few seconds ago, and you can see when the signal was sent. So today I sent, I think, about 3 signals if I'm not mistaken. Let's just quickly go to the first trade for today, and then I'm also going to go back and show you the analysis on the other trades. So there are so many things that are involved before I can take a trade, but it takes me less than 60 seconds to analyze the chart and then send the signal. All right, so our first trade for today, it was a losing trade. This was a pending order. This was a sell trade. This was gold Japanese yen. So we lost 45 pips on this trade. If you go to gold Japanese yen, I think you might be able to see. So these are some of the trades that were there yesterday. We are going to come back and discuss about them. All right, so what happened? The first trade was this one right here. So we got a sell signal right here, and then we place our sell, but our stop loss was a bit tight. You can see as soon as it hit the stop loss, it dropped. All right, so we try to re-enter again right here. So you can also see the same signal. If you go to the channel, this was the first one that we lost 45 pips, and then the second trade is this one right here. You can also go and check the take profit, the stop loss. So it matches what you see. Let me just go back to today, in fact, because these are for this other day. In fact, I'm going to come back and explain what you see right here on the, because I also placed the same trades. All right, all right, so that was my notification, and it only comes up when there's a signal, but I didn't check it right now what is happening there. But I just want to quickly make this video and make it short. So if you go back, you can see today, which trade is this one? All right, today we actually had the first trade. This was a losing trade, the 45 pips, the sell, and then this is the second trade that I sent right here, which I told the guys to close at break even. You can see if you go back to the charts, to Telegram, you can see this was a signal. This was at some point it was actually 47 pips in profit. You can see from here the entrance, it went down up until here, right? It was 47 pips, and then it came back. It almost hit our stop loss right here. It came back just into break even, and then I decided that we should close it. So I made a mistake because we closed this trade with a very small profit right here, just to break even, and then it continued to drop. It even dropped, I think, almost 300 pips if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. From here it dropped 329 pips. So this is one of the worst trades that I ever seen. But anyways, we managed to break even and get something from it. So you can see here I was even talking about it up until let's see if it's this. Okay, it should be this one. No, it's actually okay. I also commented that right here that the trade drops 300 plus in our favor, but we are already out, and we came out with a very small I think maybe 10 pips from that trade. So you can also see it right here. So this was just a missed trade that happened right here. All right, so let me try and show you guys there was also another trade that we sent. So far I showed you two, which you can also see right here on the first one was this loss, the second one was the break even, and then the third one was this winning trade right here. So you can also see it on the chart. This was gold Australian dollar. All right, so let me quickly switch to Australian dollar and see if the signal is still there. All right, I think, okay, let me just drag it to chart so that we see where the signal was. All right, it was right here. You can see it right here. Let's just remove the scroll. So I'm going to show you guys, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do the same thing, but I just want to show you just for transparency. So if you are patient enough, I know that you are going to be able to make it throughout this video, and you are also going to benefit a lot, because I'm going to share, it's not just the indicator showing you those signals. There are some things that I'm going to explain, and then if you want to continue and be profitable, you need to watch this video to the end. So you can see this was our entry right here. You can see the line for the trade closed right here. All right, you can also check out the stop loss or when it was closed. So it's more like this. This was the trade. The take profit was hit here. All right, I think I was supposed to close that notification, because it keeps on popping up. Those are new signals. This was the trade that we placed. There was no drawdown at all. It hit almost 90 something. Let's see how much I updated in the channel. This was the, is it okay? So I sent this signal right here. This was a gold Australian dollar. You can see this was the update right here. You can see all the entry, the take profit, the what, everything as it is. All right, so, and then this is the last signal that I sent today, which is this one right here. This is gold. I said you should buy right here. This is a signal. So you can see I updated in real time. It was 50 pips running in profit. I also updated in real time. This, we already talked about this one. So I want to quickly go back and show you all the trades that we sent yesterday, because yesterday we managed to make even more pips than what you are seeing today. So this was we scroll back. All right, so what you see right here, I also told ChatGPT to do the journaling for my trades for the past few. So you can see for the past, this was for yesterday, the first trade was a losing trade right here. So the first trade was actually a losing trade, and I saw some people just exiting the group just because we lost 30 pips. All right, so I don't mind when people like that I leave in my group, because they are not getting any help from me, or maybe they are not benefiting anything from me. I prefer that you should watch the video, you learn. If you are following the signals, you learn exactly what I'm doing. All right, so you can see here, this was the first trade, stop loss 30 pips hit. I send another signal right here, the take profit was hit, which was 224 pips. All right, so if you go also to my Telegram channel, you can see these are all the trades I'm also going to show you on my account. All right, so if you come right here, all right, you can see this is a screenshot that I took yesterday. So the first trade that I placed was this one right here, which lost this one, the 300 bucks, and then I decided to put it this next trade that you see is this one right here. All right, this was the second trade. You can see this was a winning trade. So if you go to the channel as well, you see the same things over and over again, because I prefer that transparency is better than anything. All right, so this was a video for yesterday. The first signal was this one right here, pound JPY. There was a losing trade, 30 pips. I also sent another sell. This was the winning one. It was running 120 pips the first time when I updated this signal, and then it was running 197 pips in profit. And then when I was telling the guys that you should now close at least half of the position, because as you can see, if a trade is running 192 pips in profit, there is no need for you to keep on holding the trade until you lose the trade. All right, because it can turn from there, it can go and hit your stop loss. So you need to at least, if it's just about 10-15 pips away from the take profit, take half of the position out. So this is what I was telling the guys, that I'm going out, I'm closing the position. All right, so before I could actually finish closing this trade, it actually went and hit the take profit. So I also have this trade, the first two trades, I have them on the video. I'm going to show the video live right now. All right, so the take profit for these trades, you can see that it was hit right here. All right, you can see it was just dropping. I managed to hit. So if you were trading just with a 0.1 lot, maybe you're going to make at least 190 something dollars. If you're trading with a one full standard lot, you're going to get at least 1.9. All right, free of charge, and these signals are for free. So the first signal is this one that you see on the chart right here. The stop loss was hit right here, and this was the re-entry for the second trade. It hit the take profit right here. So the reason why I entered this trade is because there was this sell signal right here, right, from my trading system. But sometimes you might put a tighter stop loss and then it will get hit. It's not a problem for me, because you are not going to win all the trades in the end. You need to just find a way to make money. You need to find a way to be consistent. So the second trade is this one that you see, and then soon after the second trade, you can see there was a buy signal right here, right? So you can see all the trades that I started sending, these are buy. This is the first buy. It also hit the stop loss right here because it was too tight. So if you go to my channel, you will see the same trade that I sent right here, which was supposed to be the third trade. It should be this buy right here. All right, so you can also see these trades on my here on ChatGPT when it was writing all these trades. I think the third trade is this one, which hit the stop loss. You can also see it even on my, I think let's try to see if we can find it, because I also want to show you on MetaTrader. All right, so this was the first trade which hit the stop loss 30 pips, the winning trade, and this is the stop loss which was hit on the third trade yesterday. You can see it right here. I also updated that this trade went in profit. It was in profit about 28 pips, and then all of a sudden it just dropped and hit our stop loss. So if you go on to check here, you can see that I updated this trade as a loss, right? And then soon after I send another. Let's try to re-enter. This is the position. All right, my entry is here, and then the stop loss is here. The take profit was 43.9977, 43.9977, which you can see 43.9975, but I said 77. Oh, it's 75 here. Okay, it's 75, so it's correct. So you can see all the trades. I try to keep the transparent, and you can see just after some few minutes after I sent the signal, it was running 60 pips in profit, 100 pips in profit, and then I think the take profit was hit on this one as well. So you can see this was the trade here. The take profit was hit here. So I sent another signal. This was the 50th signal for the day. And by this time, I was actually preparing that I'm going out. So I even told the guys that, so I'm not sure if it is this one right here. Okay, I was telling the guys that I'm going to send a signal. This should be the last signal. All right. Prepare for the signal. It needs validation. So by the time the signal came in, this was this one here, right? It moved very fast that I was not able to send the signal. So by the time I just managed to finish typing there, it had already hit the I think it was around, let's just quickly check. I think this trade, this was a signal. I just say it's already 111 pips, 110 pips, but you can see the screenshot here. So this trade ended up hitting the take profit. You can see the take profit was hit right here, and there was a bit of manipulation on these candles. You can see the way it drops this one and this one, and here it even reached down here. You can see when this candle opened here, it opened from below here, which was even below my take profit, but the take profit was not closing. It only closed later on after it went back up and then it came back down again. So you can see this was the trade here. So this trade, I actually missed a lot because I closed with 150 pips in profit right here, and then it dropped 800 pips right here in front of me, but I was already out. So you are not going to get some of most of the trades. some of them you are going to miss them just like that. All right, so let's quickly go back. You can see so I decided that I'll be sending one more signal since I was not able to send that one to the guys, right? So I decided to send one more signal. Let me just quickly check. One more signal was a buy trade. This was a gold. It was actually gold USD sell. So if you go to gold USD, I think you might find the sell, which is right here. Right, this you can even see the trade is highlighting itself. This was a sell right here. The stop loss was somewhere around here. You can see it's highlighting. The take profit was somewhere around here. So we managed to gain also some nice good pips right here. This was 112, 100 something, but you can see it dropped even further. It went to 374 pips, but I'd already missed the chance, so I took that trade because of this signal right here. Right, so let's go back to the I'm going to explain. It's very, very easy how you can follow these signals. So I took a screenshot when the trade was actually running. You can see the profit right was here, 400. And then by the time I close the trade, I also show it right here so that you guys don't say. You can see it was in real time before all these other candles were printed. It was even 250 in profit. So I decided that I'll be sending a pending order on gold Japanese yen. So this one was a buy trade. All right, this was a buy trade. Manage the trade. I might be which trade is this one? Yes, okay, it was for yesterday. So you can see if we go to gold Japanese yen, you're going to see the trade right there, which was this one right here. This was a buy. This was the last signal for gold Japanese yen. So I said you should buy as soon as we got this signal right here. You can see this was our buy trade right here. So it moved all the way going up. I think on this one we managed to get almost 200 pips. This was the 190 pips one. So you can see even after closing this trade, it kept on going up from this entry. It kept on going up. It even reached on the following day, it reached 500 pips. But I'm not here to sell you a dream or to promise you guys that you are going to make money if you follow this trading system. But if ever you think that it's something that is of interest to you, maybe you think it can work for you, you can contact me. I'll put my details on the screen. And this is a premium product. You're not going to get it for free, but I'm going to give one or a few people who have watched this video up to this far. So make sure to say I'm in for the competition, or I want the you can comment the indicator name on the, and also subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to check. I'm going to use a software to randomly pick someone who is going to be a winner. And if you're the winner, I'll check if you have subscribed to my Telegram channel, if you have also commented, if you have also subscribed to my YouTube channel. So make sure, because I'm going to pick one winner. Make sure you like the video. So if I get a lot of people, I might give a lot of maybe I'll just give 2 or 3 people. It will depend how many people, how many likes I get. So if you follow this, you can see this was the buy, and you can see here I updated in real time. You can see it was running in profit right here. All right, it was still right here, but it was in profit. So I told everyone that close at break even or move the trade to break even, because I could see there was a lot of pressure coming down, and also I didn't trust that this trade was going to work out, because there was too much pressure following, like pushing down. So as you can see, the moment it reached here, that's when I say you should move this one to break even or close it. So if you guys move it to break even like what I did, because you can see the trade right here. This was let's see, I think this was what, this was after the gold trade, gold USD. So this was the last trade right here for that for that day. I don't think, okay, I think, all right, when I said close half of the position, because I think I said close half of the position or move to break even, close at break even with a small profit or move to break even, or okay, I think I didn't update it properly, this one. Okay, when it was running in profit, I think it was around 70 pips in profit. You can also see now, when I say move to break even, it never hit me. My trade was already at break even. You can see it here. right? It was already at break even. It just came back down, 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 and then it started pumping, going up. So the stop loss was never hit. You can see it here. It was running, right? So you go up. You can see now I said, okay, this is when I said close half of the position, because the trade was already running 120 pips in profit. There was no need for you to wait when it's above here, right? To wait to go and get stopped here with nothing. You should at least close the trade. Because in this case, if you notice, most of the trades were putting like 30 pips stop loss, which means even if you were using the same lot size, if you close with a half the position, you still make more money. I think I tried to close mine right here. You can see I was trying to close. I was using a one lot size, one full lot size. So I tried to close. I thought I put a 0.5. So I put a 0.005 and I got it $31, and then I decided to close again the 0.4 just to make a total of 0.5. You can see it was 300 right here, which is enough to cover the losses that were there that I normally get if I'm trading right here, right? You can see my losses are usually around 300, right? All right, so if you go down, you can see this is the trade when I finally closed this way. This is when the take profit was hit. It hit the take profit. You can see this was massive 600 right here. All right, so in that trade, it means I made over almost 1,000. All right, so you can also go on to check right here. I updated this. This was a screenshot for yesterday. You can see all this, right? This was at 6.8. All right, so if you go on today, this is 26 today. But before we go to today's trades, which you can already see, in fact, we already talked about them. I want to go to the previous day, which is a day before yesterday, which is 24 February. And then I'll quickly go and show you guys the... All right, so I sent a signal right here. In fact, the first trade was a losing trade, was it? Yeah, I think so. All right, I sent this signal right here. I said, you guys, this might be a losing trade. I sent this. I said it looks like it might be a losing trade. Close at break even. So some of the people were not able to close. Even me myself, I was busy typing here, but some, they managed to close in profit. So me, I was not able to close in profit. I closed with a loss. So I decided that I'm going to take another trade, which is this one right. This was the update. Just in case you, maybe just in case you lost, you didn't close the trade, we need at least 100 pips before the end of today. So you see how confident I am with this trading strategy. So the next trade was this one right here, right? And we lost right here. I think this was, if you didn't close this trade, I think they lost somewhere around, should be 30 pips again, if I'm not mistaken. It's either 45 pips or 35 pips. So this was the trade, and we managed to hit our take profit. This, I was using this trading system right here. You can also go to the channel and check it out. So we can see this was a signal right here. This was a signal right here. 150 pips in profit, and then it kept on dropping. I think this is the same trade, right? All right. Now you can go and watch this video. I also recorded the trade live. You can see it on the video right here. This ended up hitting around 226 pips. So it means the first trade was a loss of 40 pips. So if you subtract that and that, you at least had something like 186 pips. So which means you had 186 pips yesterday. All right, so if you also go to my trading journal here, you can actually see on 24 February, we had this one, we say exited at break even. So we recorded it as 0, or maybe it was a small loss. And then the second trade is this one that you see, which was 226 pips. So I just want to show you, these are all the trades that we placed this past month, and you can see how many pips we managed to achieve right there. So if you go to the summary where ChatGPT will be analyzing, it's going to tell you that all right, or it's trying to analyze right here to say 700 pips yesterday plus the other 220 something pips. It ended up being almost 190, which is almost the plus 720. So that's almost the, we say 190. That's almost 800 and the It's actually 900. And then if you go down here, you can see all the other trades for the other days. So most of the days I just don't have the time to send the signals. That's why I recommend that you guys should contact me, get this trading system, and start making money today. If you know colors, this is aqua or blue. Once the blue signal comes, you are looking for a buy trade. Once the magenta or the whatever color you're going to set, or pink, once it comes, you're only looking for sell trades. All right, so there are other confirmations that you can use in conjunction with other indicators. I'm going to show you how it works. So you can see on this day I actually made 1,700 pips. This was massive profits right here, in just one day. I don't send signals, so sometimes I just go and send maybe 1 or 2 signals. So you can see on average you'll be making at least more than 200 300 pips in a day. So you can see this month, these are all free signals. This is 4,570 pips. All right, made from following free forex signals. So if you guys want more signals, make sure to like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and follow most of my signals each and every day. When I'm free, I send free forex signals. To get this trading system or to get my mentorship one-on-one, contact me. I'll put my my details on the screen. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm also going to start a trading challenge, a funded challenge. I think tomorrow I'll see if I want to check my plans, if I'm not going to be traveling, because these guys, they end up giving you issues if you pass the challenge, and then the IPs are changing and all those. So I want to make sure I'll be on one IP address, and then I'll be taking the trades live with you guys. But I'll send most of them that I'm going to take on the funded account as delayed signals, because I don't want your trades to look like my trades and then we are using the same prop firm. They are going to ban my account and I won't be able to make anything. So thank you so much guys, and good luck with your trading. Just before you go, let me quickly check if we are still in profit. All right, this trade is actually in profit. I think I just have to close it. You can see it's running nice in profit. It doesn't want to hit the take profit though. It doesn't want. I will just close this one.